Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a very requested update and on my Crochet Braids, the Freetress Ringlet 1 curl. So I'm going to give you guys a quick update on that and then also details on my giveaway. So as you guys know, this is the Freetress Ringlet 1 curl. Try to say that 10 times or 3 times back to back. Absolutely love it. I have had this hair in for 17 days. I was trying to count like weeks, but 2 weeks and 2 days. So I've had this in my hair and I absolutely love it. I love the curl pattern. I love that it gets bigger as you wear it, but it doesn't get like kinky and knotted up. And that was the issue that I had with the Jamaican bounce hair. Was I love the texture, but after about like 4 days, I'm like, okay, I shouldn't have to take as much time as it takes to do my natural hair to do some crochet braids, because what's the purpose of a protective style? So this is completely different. I literally will take it down. The hairstyle video that I'll link in my description, it has how I prepare my hair for bed, like how I handle the leave out and then how I basically bun my hair up and then put a scarf on it. So all I literally have to do is shake it out, shake it down. Maybe on here on the sides or whatever, I'll separate some of the curls that have gotten back together while it was in the bun, and then that's it. It's good and it's to go. I don't know, I just really like this hair. So this is the hair bobby. I got like 3 bobby pins. They kind of give me the bang look. This is my favorite hairstyle. I've worn this hairstyle so many times with this hair. I'm just like, this hair will be repeated this year. The only question is, do I do some color or do I keep it all black? I think I kind of want to keep it all black because black is mysterious and black is where it's at this year. Yeah. Anyway, so now that I've got the update out of the way, love the hair. You guys should try the hair. And now I'm going to give you an opportunity to try the hair for free. So this is the giveaway details. For those who have not watched the video, okay, you know that I got like 5 packs of the hair. I only use 2. That leaves 3 left over. I'm gonna keep 1 because I'm thinking about doing a little something. So that leaves 2 packs of hair, enough for a hairstyle to give away. So it's super easy to give away, guys. So all you literally have to do is go to my Instagram and follow my Instagram. That's it. When you're done, comment done and either leave me your email address or leave me your Instagram handle. And that's it. All I'm going to do is verify that you're following me, and I'm going to enter you in a little lovely bowl to be given away. Now, bonus. If you have tried any of my crochet tutorials and you have it posted on Instagram, go to your Instagram and tag me in it. And I will add your name times 5 to be entered away. So, video is supposed to be posted, what's today? Today's the 12th. I will be posting this video on Monday the 15th. I will be doing the giveaway on, how many days should I give you guys? What's my phone? Let's see, because I don't have a good, so I'm going to post this video on Monday, January the 15th. I'm going to give you guys 7 whole days. So I'm going to wait until January the 22nd to do the giveaway. So you guys have 7 entire days to go to Instagram, follow me, here's the hashtag, here's the handle, and then come back here and just say done and give me, just do your Instagram handle, because your email address I don't, so just leave your Instagram handle, just do done and then your Instagram handle. Now here's the thing, guys. I know that you guys are very protective of your Instagram. I used to be too before I became an influencer, and my profile was always set to private. But here's the issue. I cannot, okay, message you if your Instagram is private. So maybe for the next 7 days you kind of leave it open, or maybe you wait until like Sunday night and open it. In case you win, I can send you a message, let you know that you won and I need up your mailing information. I understand that it's very important to you that you keep your profile private, but do you want to miss out on some hair? I wouldn't. So maybe from like Sunday to Tuesday, because I'm lazy and I might forget on Monday, and I might have to pull a name on Tuesday. So maybe from Sunday to Tuesday you open your profile from me, okay, to get some free weave. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out all my other videos, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.